Model, 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Sportive CDTI starts runs needs gearbox repair 71k no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 71,676. MOT, the 27th of March 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PSE6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. To get a box will need repairing or replacing as it is stuck in a high gear. Engine still starts and runs perfectly. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,695 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for